guys, welcome back to another YouTube video of Teach with Koala. Today it's a very short episode and I'll be teaching you quickly how to upload images in Koala. Let's get straight into the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So if you want to upload images in Koala, it's pretty simple, guys. Just click on the plus button right here at the left bottom corner. Click the upload image icon up here just above the clip art library icon, and here we go. Search for your image. Let me see, why not search for an image of a koala bear? So koala, and here's my image of a koala bear, and here we go. Here is our beautiful image of the koala bear. Now if I want to move it, I just move my mouse wherever I want it to be, and I can even leave it right here. So this here is my beautiful image of my koala bear. If I want to increase the size, beep beep beep, just click your plus button on your keyboard, plus. If I want to decrease the size, just click the subtract button on your keyboard. So beep 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 beep, but no, that's too small. We want it big. Amazing. So we can leave it right here. So this, guys, is pretty simple how to upload images in Koala. And if you want to upload more images, just click on upload the image icon once again. Search for another image of another koala bear just because I love koalas. And here is another picture of an amazing koala bear. Click on it. Let's put it right above this and increase the size. Perfect. So guys, this was a video on how to upload images in Koala. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on another episode of Teach with Koala. Bye guys!